Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on the 10th of February, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 7th of February in the year 2025, our system has identified Microsoft as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.41. Now, let's examine the stock's performance over this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, showing a gain of 0.54%. This equates to an average return of 0.27% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and horizontal trend in the short term. This typically indicates a favorable buying opportunity. However, should it break below the bottom trend line at $409.94, it would signal a strong sell and suggest a shift in the trend. Analyzing the 3-month trend reveals a potential change of approximately -0.781% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from -1.33% to +8.89%. For the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 2.79% over the upcoming year, with potential returns between 0.195% and 18.52%. This would result in a price range from $413.03 to $488.57 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Microsoft includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for Microsoft. The Microsoft stock price gained approximately 0.541% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 10th of February, 2025, rising from $410 to $412.22. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.11%, with a day low at $410.92 and a day high of $415.46. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days, but remains down by 5.14% for this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 19,000 shares, with a total of 21 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $8.56 billion. It is important to note that decreasing volume amid rising prices may indicate a divergence, potentially serving as an early warning of changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $468.35, while the lowest was $385.58. Currently, the price is 11.98%, or $56.13, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft's performance remains a focal point as its artificial intelligence revenue surges, showcasing the company's growth potential in a rapidly evolving sector. However, challenges are emerging that could influence its future trajectory. Notably, a French antitrust investigation is underway, examining Microsoft's practices related to Bing and smaller search rivals. If the findings are unfavorable, this could lead to regulatory penalties, impacting investor sentiment in the short term. Additionally, Microsoft is attempting to recalibrate its pricing structure for Office and Teams to circumvent potential fines from the European Union, a strategic move that may yield favorable outcomes in regulatory negotiations, but could also affect revenue margins. On the expansion front, the recent virtual power purchase agreement with EDP Renewables marks a significant commitment to sustainability, likely appealing to investors focused on environmental, social, and governance criteria and enhancing long-term brand value. In the gaming sector, scrutiny over Activision's data practices could pose reputational risks, especially as investigations unfold. Such issues might influence Microsoft's stock price if they lead to legal repercussions. In the short term, the combination of regulatory pressures and strategic shifts will create volatility in Microsoft stock. In the longer term, continued investment in artificial intelligence and sustainability could drive growth, but potential legal hurdles must be carefully managed to protect shareholder value. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Microsoft a positive rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Wells Fargo rated Microsoft as outperform with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, UBS assigned a buy rating to Microsoft, also with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, Needham rated Microsoft as a hold with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Piper Sandler rated Microsoft as neutral, again with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts consider the stock to be a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, February 7th, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 0.541%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may act as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could influence the near short-term development. The Microsoft stock reflects sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, contributing to a more negative forecast. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may occur at levels of $412.81 and $426.95. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, a sell signal. Pivots, a buy signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal from 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, a sell signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 7 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average shows a sell signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 4 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $410.92. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock has average movements throughout the day, and with robust trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $4.54 between its high and low, equating to 1.11%. For the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.31%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively standard PE ratio, often found in companies with long histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $3.20. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $414.99. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft encounters its first support level at $410.92. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft, derived from various analyst sources, is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 31st day of January, in the year 2025, Emma N. Walmsley executed an insider purchase of 150,581 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, John W. Stanton conducted an insider purchase of 151 shares of common stock. Also on that day, Charles W. Scharf executed an insider purchase of 151 shares of common stock. Carlos A. Rodriguez made an insider purchase of 255,987 shares of restricted stock units on January 31, 2025. Finally, on that same day, Penny S. Pritzker conducted an insider purchase of 240,929 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 7. In total, insiders acquired 537,927 shares, while selling 460,630 shares over the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Currently, Microsoft exhibits several negative indicators and is positioned within a broad declining trend. As a result, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the forthcoming days or weeks, leading us to a negative assessment of this stock. Upon examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 11th of February, we predict that Microsoft will open at approximately 647 cents and begin trading at $412.87. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.